Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can get C4 in COD Mobile. So, as for right now, C4 is yet to be added to the game modes, but you can test it out and, well, use it for a trial by going into your loadout, opening the grenades section, or lethal section, whatever. Then select the C4. As you can see, the activation how do I put it, condition is stay tuned, which means that the developers of this game are yet to add the C4 into actual matchmaking rotation, but you can acquire it and go to the trial, loadout, activate it here like that, and then equip. So that will be pretty much it for this video, I guess. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.